Hello Peter, this is Felipe again. I'm making this video to show you every one of the steps that I'm doing that you told me to do also. This is a FAT32 formatted USB flash drive, as you told me. I put it inside the chaos file without any folder. So I'm inserting this on the USB. Okay, there it is. Now I am pressing both page bottoms at the same time, and now I'm going to power the Kemper right there. I'm sending this to you because I'm not sure if maybe I'm doing any step wrong. I'm not sure, but nothing is changing. As you can see, the bar it's already already finished to charge, but nothing changes. Okay, so let me know what else can I do, because I have no clue about what is it.